how to make someone admin on Telegram group. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, what you simply need to do is tap on your group that you want to just make someone admin of. So let me just refresh the page and now just tap on the group. Now, if you want to make someone admin on Telegram group, first of all, you need to be an admin of that particular group, because if you're not an admin, you cannot change or you cannot make someone else admin on the Telegram group. So simply tap on the group over here and then tap on any of the group members. Just make a long press on it, and then here you can see the option of promote to admin. So you can just simply select on that and tap on promote to admin. So you can select what access they can have and so on. So after that, tap on the check mark at the top right corner, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.